It's Friday the 13th, and I said I would never do this. But I am going to show you just what they do. You see, she's climbing on the bed. These beds were brand new. We got them about a year ago. They won't sleep in them, other than a nap occasionally. Yeah, I see. Where's Layla's rail? The bed rail. Where's the side of her bed? Over here on the floor. Where's Leah's? Leah's is off too.
No, that's look at mine. And I have a little hole.
Yes, I see. So they have a lot of foolishness going on in this room. I clean this room up 4 days a week, just about. I refuse to do it anymore because I don't have the time. I have to sweep it, mop it.
Layla's is right here. My bed is broken because our bed is broke.
It's not broken. I just have to put the side back on.
It's broke.
But yeah, this is what they do. They have,
look at this.
I see, decorations on the wall. They pulled them down.
Mom, can you check this out? Baby.
Can you bring me that?
Yay, a stone. No, I'm not also.
Put it on the table. The books, they keep pulling off the shelf. They were so neatly arranged. And I'm getting ready to go through and just pull some out because a lot of them are worn out and broken. And I pretty much go through them when I clean up the room and just throw away. Because they like to bring water in here in their kitchen. Whose lunch is on the kitchen?
Ours.
And they will dump water everywhere. So, take your lunch in the kitchen. Get down. Get down. Get down.
No.
One.
Take your lunch in the kitchen. Now, this is.
Anywho, as I was saying, they put water all over the room, everywhere. So, I am constantly cleaning up water. And they had these alphabet mats on the floor. It's completely done. So I use them for the big kids, but they keep pulling them up off the floor. And when they wet the floor, I have to get them all up. Especially if I don't know they wet the floor before they stick and mildew. So I'm constantly throwing them in the tub and cleaning them, and I just pulled out all of them and washed them. This one just came out, or those two just came out of the bag. So I have to put them back on the floor and hopefully clean this room up. And it will stay because this just drives me crazy, but they don't care. So, I mean, I can literally clean this room, stand here with a video camera, and show you 5 minutes later what they do to it. Why are you moving the bed? Do you want to rearrange the beds?
No.
We may rearrange the beds. You want to bring the activity table in here?
Yeah.
Think that would be a good idea?
Yeah.
And then we can put it out of the living room?
Yeah.
And then you can play with your Connects and your blocks and your Legos in here too?
Yeah.
So, you see, they don't have a ton of toys. They don't play with toys. It's a couple of big things. So you're having big fun, huh? He's got Spider-Man over there. He's got a matching blanket. The girls have but they have torn off the Minnie Mouse stickers off the headboard. And we got some chalk going on the walls. I usually wipe the walls down a couple times a week. Get your sandwich off of the floor and give it to me. And so, yeah. No food in the room. Give it to me. You can't eat that. Go bring me the other one. Here, get that one.
It's hard to eat it. It's really.
Thank you. Get down, Layla. Get down. Get down, Layla. So, get down. And of course, the blinds are gone because I tore them down. And I refuse to keep putting them back up there. Get down. Get down.
I have to jump. Okay, Mom. We have to jump.
Monkey see, monkey do. And what are you over there trying to do, little bitty? Don't do that. Go put that game on the table.
Here.
Go put it on the
Where's the
table.
instructions? Where's the papers?
That's
Where's the papers?
They don't know where the papers are.
We don't know where the papers
Then how we know what?
That's the reason why I asked you not to open it.
I put the papers in here.
Well, now you're going to have to go look for it.
Tree, give me the papers. You know where they are. You have them. Tree, you know where the other one is?
No.
It might be in here, but go put it away.
I'm gonna keep
Because if it's in here, it's going to get lost.
Hey, this is not a blade. That was the spin version of this. Well, use that or it's one.
Down out of the window. You're getting ready to do your schoolwork.
Liam, move.
Here, what's the reason why MP3 fault? Here.
Go put that away.
Move, Liam. Move, Liam. Then move, then jump. That's the sun.
One,
We are going to get out.
you are going to get down. Get down.
Let's scoop the bear back.
2. That is not funny. You are not obeying.
I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss.
The boss of what? This mess?
I'm the boss.
You own, yeah, you own it. You're right. You're the boss of this mess. You own this mess. It is time to clean this mess up.
Look, I'm the stupid. I'm the boss of this gun.
So
I'm a stupid boss.
I will get in here later on this evening when I am in the mood to clean this room, because I have to be in the mood to clean this room and get it cleaned up. Their desk I have to take out of here. I usually just put it in the shower if it's really messy. So, yeah, I have to really take this apart and clean it. Oh, I found a picture. The big kids were little. I don't know how that got in here, but yeah. I want you to take your dollhouse, move it from here. Move your dollhouse from behind the door. Put it over here by the wall.
It's too heavy.
Well, and I need to clean that again. So, this, oh, thank you. I was looking for that, Zai. I found the rest of them. The egg.
The egg?
Pick the egg up right there by the dollhouse.
Where?
The other side. Right there. Look by your foot.
Right there.
Yep. Now, now I have all of them. Now, I will let you pick up in a minute. Can you pick up your, is that your Dr. McStuffins game down there?
No.
No? It's on the floor.
That's not mine reading.
Put it on the desk. Are you singing time for your checkup? Oh no. Time for your checkup, Zai?
I didn't mess up the car and gave it. I didn't mess up the car.
Time for your checkup.
Mom, go bring the table in here.
I have to clean the room first. It's a mess. Well, you know what you can do? You can start helping pick up the toys.
No.
Pick up your kitchen food and put it in their bins. That way we can have that off the floor. There's a bin right there. There's a green one over there. Put- Get off her bed, please. One. I won't bring the table in here until it's clean. Tariq, there's a blue bin under your bed. Look under your bed. On the end of your bed by the kitchen. Meltdown. Get off her bed. Look under your bed and get that bin. He won't get up. Okay, I'll make him get up. He's getting up. I have to put the sheets back on their bed. Okay. All right, you want to say bye-bye? Say we have to clean our room. Next time it'll be clean. Say bye-bye.